best 15 workplaces in the Philippines as of 2023. That's a topic we'll tackle for today, and I'm Engineer Morgan Sai of the Ilocano Defender. So, the best workplaces for medium-sized organizations is from the data of greatplacetowork.com. So, coming in at number 15 is a professional services company located in Engr City. It's Connects at number 15. And coming in at number 14 is an information technology company based in Taguig City. It's called Amadeus Marketing Philippines Inc. Coming in at number 13 is a real estate company located in Taguig City called KMC Solutions. And coming in at number 12 is located in Taguig City. It's Goodyear Business Services Manila. And now coming in at number 11 is an information technology company based in Taguig City. It's called Navit Air Philippines Inc. And coming in at number 10 is located in Makati City, Booth and Partners. Coming in at number 9 is a telecommunications company located in Taguig City called Ericsson Telecommunications Inc. And coming in at number 8 is a retail company located in Metro Manila, Philippines, all over. And they're called Balsam International Unlimited Company Philippines. And coming in at number 7 is an information technology company located in Quezon City. It's Genesis Cloud Services Cayman Limited. And coming in at number 6 is into manufacturing and production located in Taguig City. It's 3M Global Service Center Philippines. Now coming in at number 5 is an information technology company located in Taguig City. It's called Via Apia Philippines Inc. And coming in at number 4 is a hospitality company located in Pasay City and Clark. It's Hilton Philippines. And coming in at number 3 is an information technology company located in Taguig City called Atlassian. And coming in at number 2 is another information technology company located in Taguig City called Cisco Philippines. And coming in at number 1, drum roll please, because it's a transportation company located in Makati City called DHL Philippines Corp. So, those are the 15 best places to work for in 2023 for the medium-sized groups and organizations here in the Philippines. So, please follow our vlogs and subscribe so that you can get more information on useful knowledge that you can find here in the Philippines for your work, health, and wealth and relationships. So, thank you very much. Once again, I'm Engineer Morgan Sai, your coach ng bayan.